Cats have a long and fascinating evolutionary history that stretches back millions of years. The domestic cat we know today, Felis catus, is part of a much older lineage that began over 10 million years ago. Their story is one of wild ancestry, adaptation, and eventually, a close bond with humans. The evolutionary history of cats begins with a shared ancestor of all modern felines. Scientists believe that the first true cat-like creatures appeared around 10 to 15 million years ago during the Miocene epoch. These early felines are part of the Felidae family, which includes all modern cats, from lions and tigers to leopards and house cats. The ancestor of all modern small cats likely lived in Asia and began spreading to other parts of the world. Over time, this ancient feline branch split into several groups, giving rise to different species adapted to various environments. One of these groups eventually led to the development of the African wildcat, Felis libica. This species is considered the closest living ancestor of the domestic cat. Fossil and genetic evidence suggests that Felis libica first appeared in North Africa and the Middle East around 2 to 3 million years ago. But the domestication of cats didn't happen until much later. Archaeological and genetic evidence points to the beginning of human-cat interaction roughly 9,000 years ago in the Fertile Crescent, a region that includes parts of modern-day Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, and Egypt. This area is known as one of the cradles of early agriculture. As humans began to farm and store grain, their settlements attracted rodents, which in turn attracted wildcats. These wildcats were naturally solitary and cautious, but the ones who were less fearful of humans had easier access to food. Over generations, the friendlier cats benefited from this new environment, surviving and reproducing more successfully. This led to a gradual process of domestication, not through human intervention at first, but through natural selection. The earliest direct evidence of a close relationship between humans and cats comes from the island of Cyprus. A burial site dated to around 7500 BCE revealed a human buried alongside a cat. Because cats are not native to Cyprus, this suggests humans brought them by boat, showing that cats were already valued companions by that time. Egypt played a major role in shaping the human-cat relationship further. By around 4,000 years ago, cats in ancient Egypt were not only kept as pets, but also revered as sacred animals. The Egyptian cat, likely descended from Felis libica, became closely associated with the goddess Bastet, who symbolized home, fertility, and protection. Killing a cat, even by accident,